morning. How are you all? I hope so. You're doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, my dears. Here, this is the first lesson of your social science. So, what is the lesson name? Family. Do you all love your family? Yes, even I too love my family. Look at here. They have explained the content, complete lesson in a one mind map. So, this is called mind map, children. Okay. So, in this mind map, each topic I will be explaining in detail. Okay, children. So now we are going to see about different types of family. So let me explain it. Actually, we are going to learn three different types of family. So first part is, look at the picture. You could observe it. So here, this type of family is called a single parent family. Either father or mother will be there with the children. Okay, why this happens? Because either they could have got divorced or the father or mother would be dead. So this is the reason for single parent family. Okay, Kanna. So next one we are going to see about nuclear family. What do you mean by nuclear family? Observe this picture for a while. You could see a father, mother, child and their children. So here we could say this type of family as nuclear family. What it is? Nuclear family. Very good. And next we are going to see about a big family that is called joint family. Here we have grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt and cousins, as well as this is a big family. So this one is called as joint family. What it is being called? Joint family. Very good. And children, today we have covered the topic of different types of family. So one is single parent family. Second one is nuclear family. And the third one is joint family.